So before we learn the advanced operators in Google search, let's find out how it works with the advanced search interface. So find pages with all these words. If you write recipe, it's as if you write here the recipe, the search bar. So other than that, you can say this exact word or phrase. So if you write banana bread, it is the equivalent to this. So the advanced search interface, what it does is actually it tells you not to, you don't have to use the operators yourself. You just fill in the blanks, and then it's going to translate it and add the operators. So it's for lazy people, but sometimes it can um, save you some time. Then any of these words. So let's take maybe the world championship athletics. So I'm taking the same example as before, and you can say something was location world championship athletics. Any of these were 2013, and it is actually the operator or. So if I write something like this, it's going to accumulate the or operators. So there you go. And then okay, none of these words it's equivalent um, to the minus operator. So you see minus here. You can see that we can do all that by typing instead of using the advanced search interface. Numbers ranging for, let's see the same example, it was car max speed, and we had used something like this, 150 to 200, or I think it was 200 to 400, and it is equivalent to this, the two dots. As you can see here, when we wrote it by hand, we could also write something like this. So embed the two numbers within quotes. However, if you use the advanced search, you cannot do that. So you cannot combine these fields with the quotes. So you can see the superiority of typing it down yourself instead of using the advanced search interface. So then narrow your results by language. So you choose a language and region, and then update. It is the equivalent to, we have seen that in your results you've got search tools, you've got anytime and all results. And then you've got site or domain. If you don't want to search the entire web, and you only wanted to search within a certain website, you can do something like amazon.com. So you can see that it only searched within this domain, and it is equivalent to, this is the operator site colon, and then you've got the website, the URL, the address, and then terms appearing anywhere in the page. In the title, we have talked about the title before. So if we go here, we go view page source. Let's wait a bit. There's a problem with the view source, so with Amazon, so I'm going to find another one. It's going to be wikipedia.org. Okay, and here we've got view page source, and we talked about the title. So we said that in HTML files you've got a part, the head, which is not going to appear. The content of this is not going to appear. There you go, head, in the page. So it's only content to be used by search engines and other software. So you've got here title. So if we choose this, terms appearing in the title of the page, it's only going to search within wikipedia.org and only this, and is going to ignore the rest. So if I say OK, all in title, say like that. So these three words have to appear. You can see here, car max speed car. So you're not going to find any websites whose title does not include the three words. So you do not find it here, you just find it here. And then title in the text, in the URL, so it's going to search the URLs here. So this is the address of the websites. It links to the page. We're going to talk about layer. We've got safe search, so you can filter explicit results. It's about porn and stuff like that. Reading level, show only basic, intermediate, advanced results. File type, so you can search within specific file formats, but unfortunately we do not have every single format here. So if I want it to be an ODT, an OpenOffice Writer, I cannot choose it here. So I would do something like this. Now I'm going to car max speed, and then file type, I will have to do it by hand. And do this. And then you've got usage rights, free to use, share, blah 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 blah. So this is how you use the advanced search interface. So stay around for the next videos to learn about the advanced search operators.